Merry Christmas from a nudist beach in Cyprus. More specifically, very close to Ayia Napa, around 5 kilometers from the city. And yeah, now I am visiting this very same nudist beach in the middle of the day, as it is now 12:52 p.m. on this 25th of December, Christmas Day. So last time I visited this beach, I was actually out there behind those rocks and was taking a nice sunset swim. So now I wanted to show you also 4 months later, also the same beach, yeah, on broad daylight as such. So yeah, it is not an official nudist beach, but as I have searched the internet, it is definitely a nudist one. Today there is nobody here because it is Christmas Day and it's also out of season as well. But in summer when I was here, there were many people on the beach enjoying this beautiful scenery here, naked of course. So yes, I wanted to show you this beach once again now in December. So let's then dive in and check it out. I remember that it was very hard to take a swim back then, and I think it's gonna be as hard as today also as well. But I'm not gonna give up because this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and we are exploring different unique coastal treasures around the world. And right now, this is my day 5 of my Cyprus vacation during the Christmas and New Year's holidays. So I'm very happy to enjoy, as it is today, 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 degrees in the sea. So it's gonna be super nice to take a swim. This is my second beach of the day. I also visited the naked beach at Kambouri. That's around 1 to 2 kilometers away from here. So let's then be careful as we approach the sea here, as there are some strong waves today, and believe me, when they hit you, you can also fall and make a splash on these hard rocks like now. I remember I was maybe 100 meters away from this spot when I took the sunset swim, so check out that video as well. And that one was my most viewed video during my summer vacation in Cyprus. Oh my god, this is very dangerous over here. Let's see, how are we going to get in? I'm wondering. Look at that. And how are we going to get out also later? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful nature. It seems like it is very deep after this rock over here, so I'm gonna go for it. Just a second. Just a second. Now comes the wave. All right. All right, we are going down in 3. No. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh my god, that's so amazing. So amazing, and so beautiful color of the water, and the scenery is just amazing, perfect for a nudist beach. So if you're into nudist beaches, make sure to visit this one during summer when it is very popular. And this is the only nudist beach I have seen on the while I searched the internet. This one is and also the naked beach over there. at Amos Kambouri as well. So two of them are in Ayia Napa, and I'm really enjoying this one. And actually I was walking and I'm on my way to the Blue Lagoon. That's so beautiful and nice. So that's my next stop, and that will be the next episode probably. So here it is deep where I am, and now it's gonna be a challenge to get out, but I'm gonna do my best. But look at that, this is to die for. Look at this scenery. The color of the sea is amazing. And I can see also Ayia Napa Marina from here, and the whole of Ayia Napa as well. Alright, thanks a lot for watching this episode from this nudist beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. And tune in for more beach adventures from Cyprus and the rest of the world on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!
Oh,